Best running vest replacement. A perfect fit for most standard hydration vests with an ergonomic slider top to reduce chafing. Insulated. IsoBound insulation keeps water cold and won't sweat in warm temperatures. Slim profile. Designed to eliminate sloshing and be more comfortable in vests. New higher flow. Engineered with high-performance features including the blaster bite valve with a twist-on-off valve. 100% BPA-free, easy to clean. Made from the highest quality materials, fully reversible and dishwasher safe. The Velocity IT1 5L features our new IsoBound insulation technology that keeps water cold and won't sweat in warm temperatures. Engineered to keep fluids at an ideal temperature 38% longer than a standard reservoir. After all, cold water is more refreshing. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic. Bought this for hiking in mid-90s, sunny weather, packed it with ice and water which stayed cooled for a few hours. I was impressed. Refilling is easy and quick.